Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend after-tax income calculation for family trust planning, and how investors can calculate the real dividend income available after taxes, trust adjustments, and planning decisions. To begin with, the first step is to calculate the gross dividend. This means you find the dividend per share and multiply it by the number of shares held by the family trust. For example, if the dividend is $2 per share and the trust owns 1,000 shares, the gross dividend income is $2,000. This is the starting amount before any taxes, deductions, credits, or trust-level adjustments are applied. Next, you need to apply source country withholding tax. If the dividend comes from a foreign company, the source country may deduct tax before the dividend reaches the trust. For example, if the withholding tax rate is 15% on a $2,000 dividend, the withholding tax would be $300, and the amount after withholding would become $1,700. After that, it is important to check tax treaty benefits. Some countries have tax treaties that may reduce withholding tax for eligible investors or trusts. For example, a treaty may lower the withholding rate from 15% to 10%. In that case, the withholding tax on a $2,000 dividend would be $200 instead of $300, helping the trust keep more dividend income. Then, you should apply home country tax rules on trust income. Even after source country withholding tax, the home country may still tax the foreign dividend income held inside the trust. For example, if the taxable income after treaty withholding is $1,800 and the home country tax rate is 20%, the home country tax may be $360 before applying any foreign tax credit. Moreover, the trust may be able to claim a foreign tax credit or relief. This can help reduce double taxation when tax has already been paid in another country. For example, if $200 was already paid as withholding tax and the home country tax is $360, the foreign tax credit may reduce the remaining home country tax payable to $160, depending on the rules that apply. After that, you need to consider trust tax adjustments. Family trusts may have special tax rules, deductions, distributions, trustee decisions, or beneficiary-related treatment. These adjustments can affect how much income is taxable, how much is available for distribution, and how much should be retained for future planning. Because trust rules can be complex, this step should be handled carefully. Next, calculate the final after-tax dividend income. In the example, the gross dividend is $2,000, and the total tax after credit is $360. So, the after-tax dividend income available becomes $1,640. This is the amount that may be available for distribution or reinvestment after taxes and adjustments. Then, decide whether to distribute or reinvest the income wisely. A family trust may distribute income to beneficiaries, reinvest for long-term growth, or use the income based on family goals. Distributing may support family needs, while reinvesting may help grow wealth inside the trust over time. The best choice depends on tax rules, beneficiary circumstances, and long-term planning objectives. In addition, proper record-keeping is essential. The trust should maintain dividend statements, tax-paid documents, treaty forms, trustee meeting records, distribution records, beneficiary reports, and reinvestment details. Clear records help with compliance, future planning, audits, and smooth management of family wealth. Furthermore, family trusts are often used to protect wealth, support income planning, manage distributions, and transfer assets more efficiently. However, they must be used correctly. Tax rates, trust rules, beneficiary tax treatment, and legal requirements can vary widely by country and trust type. Overall, the main idea is simple. Start with gross dividends, subtract withholding tax, apply treaty benefits, calculate home country tax, claim available credits, adjust for trust rules, and then decide whether to distribute or reinvest the after-tax income. With smart planning, a family trust can support stronger wealth protection, better tax awareness, and more organized long-term family financial planning. This content is for general educational purposes only and is not financial, tax, investment, or legal advice. Tax and trust rules vary by country and personal situation, so always consult a qualified tax professional, legal advisor, or trustee before making any investment or trust decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.